Allie, find the one in yellow. Click when it gets to yellow. You did it already. I didn't get to get it. Show me how you squeeze with your fingers. Squeeze again. Allie. I know it's not time to squeeze. 1 second. That's how you squeeze. Let's see what the next color is.
Find my brother in purple.
Okay.
Orange.
Click when it gets to purple. I'm going to go to your hand.
Red. Purple.
Squeeze. Oh, you missed it. You got to wait till it gets to purple.
Find my brother in purple.
Not yet. Nice turning your wrist. Open up till it gets to purple.
Purple.
Click. Oh, I think you got it. Let's see. The room turned purple.
One fella.
Allie, look at Mama. Good job, pretty girl.
Just said.